This video is part of a series of 4 videos that cover the installation requirements for the Zowe ZOS convenience build. We recommend that you bookmark the link at the bottom of the screen. It will appear throughout each of the videos. In this video, you will learn about the user ID requirements and security permissions. Specific user IDs with sufficient permissions are required to access or run Zowe. ZWE SV USR. This is a started task ID for ZWE SLSTC. The task starts a USS environment using BPX BATSL that executes the core Zowe desktop Node.js server, the Java API mediation layer, and the Z Secure Services C components. To work with USS, the user ID must have a valid OMVS segment. For a list of relevant permissions, please refer to the Zowe Systems Requirements page. ZWE SIUSR. This is a started task ID used to run the proclip ZWE SISTC that launches the cross-memory server, also known as ZIS. It must have a valid OMVS segment. ZWE admin. This is a group and must contain the before-mentioned user IDs and must have a valid OMVS segment.